I'm Charlie Knight from Passle, and today we're delving into the Passle Gateway extension, its benefits and why Passle users should upgrade now. I'm lucky to be joined by Abigail Taylor, Product Manager here, and Olivia Bacon, Senior Client Success Consultant. So, to kick us off, Abby, can you please explain what the Passle Gateway extension is?
So the Gateway is the browser extension for Chrome, Edge and Safari that makes content creation and sharing easier and quicker for professionals using Passle. It's an upgrade from the original Passle Button designed to give users a more integrated and efficient experience. So whether you're creating a commentary post from an article, sharing content, or viewing your own post statistics, it's all there in one place with no need to switch between apps. It also has a lot of additional features that the old button didn't have. It's not just an update, it's a whole new way to get the most out of Passle.
And Liv, can you kind of delve into some more of those benefits of the Passle Gateway extension for users?
Of course. So the Passle Gateway extension now allows users to continue creating content, whether that is a commentary post by highlighting a piece of text and clicking the Passle button, or whether it's a post from scratch as they have direct access to their Passle dashboard. But now for administrators, the Passle Gateway allows them to access editing post pages to quickly amend and edit content. They can also view stats across individual posts and the entire Passle page. They also then have quick access to their admin dashboard. The Gateway also allows content creators to quickly share content using our range of tools such as LinkedIn Quick Share and Istatoy.
Thank you, Liv. Can you just explain what Istatoy is for those who aren't familiar with it?
Absolutely. So Istatoy stands for I saw this and thought of you, and it's a very quick way to share content on a one-to-one basis. You may have written a piece of content or see a piece of content written by one of your colleagues and know that it would be really insightful for one specific contact, and Istatoy allows you to very quickly send that directly to that individual's inbox.
Brilliant. Abby, how can users identify which extension button they're currently using? And for folks that haven't yet upgraded to the Passle Gateway extension, how can they get hold of it?
Yeah, sure. So to check which extension you're using, look for the icon in your browser extension bar. Passle Button and the Gateway icon appear a little different. So the Gateway icon will also change color depending on the website you're viewing or if you're logged out of Passle. Plus, selecting the Gateway will also show you more options and features in the old button. So if you're not seeing the Gateway icon or the experience feels like the older version, you can either go to your Passle dashboard and select Install Passle Gateway and be directed to your browser store, or you can head directly to the Chrome, Edge or Mac app stores and search for Passle Gateway and easily install it from there.
Wonderful. And finally, Liv, how can users find out more about the Passle Gateway extension?
As Abby said, users can head to their Passle dashboard and select Install Passle Button to download the new button, but they can also reach out to their client success consultant or reach out to the team at clientsuccess@passle.net.